Yo, what is going on, PokeFans? Welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day. It is the third week of Pokemon Shining Fates, and we have the new shiny Dragapult VMAX Premium Collection box. We're gonna open one of these bad boys. We also got the Crobat VMAX box. These things are pretty sick. 7 packs in each of them. It just came out today. It's part of the third wave. And then I think for bonus, we're gonna open up this Intellion Pack. We just snagged this while we were out today too. It was on the shelves. We got a new Poke family with us today. Here hanging out. A little new setup in the background, but yeah, let's check out this Dragapult box. Had some exciting news. Literally just minutes ago, my friend Mark, fellow Pokemon hunter, sent me a Snapchat, and him and his son Lucas pulled the Charizard. I'm so jealous. Also happy for him. He's a big Charizard hunter. Ooh, take a look at those. Alright, we got the card. Oh, that is a good looking card. Look at that Dragapult. Come hang out. Ooh, it's right there for now. Got the cards. Throw some sleeves on them real quick. Nice card. These only come in the promo box here. Can't get them in the set. Put it in this frosted Eevee sleeve. I don't know why these Eevee sleeves are frosted, but it takes away from the shine, the card. But anyway, we'll go hang out in there for now. VMAX. Give it a top loader. Show you any shiny V gets a top loader. All right, nice. We've already won so far. 2 cards. All right, I'm not dropping that code. If you got it, you're lucky. All right. Well, got the Toxtricity next. Let me move this out of the way real fast. Alright, let's go. Pack 1. Alright. Dang, that pack may have been partially, mostly open. Alright, you guys can have these. You get them before me. I do play the game a little bit, but I don't scan these very much. Alright, you got fighting to start it off. Tropius. Cramorant. Eldegoss. Shinx. Weasel, little Nick, the Trapinch, the Snom on a bench, a reverse Weasel, and we got something back here, and the Greedent V. Okay. Of course, we pulled a few Greedents already, but nevertheless, a small hit. Okay. Next pack, we got the Cramorant. Oh, that thing is like kind of open too. Usually they're sealed pretty well. That one, not so much. Alright, let's go. Got some water. Gym Trainer, Luxio, Tropius, a Chutai, Choodle, Morpeko, Eevee, the Grookey, Snom, a Yanma, and an NDB. And Data. Alright. You are hollow. And you are reverse hollow. I'm trying to get the whole set of the reverses, so that'd be cool. Alright, let's go with the Zard. What do you have for me, Dragapult? Dude, this pack also is like slightly ripped. That's the ripped box. Alright. Water. Ball Guy. Tropius. Eldegoss. Choodle. Glossopore. Eevee. Nickit. Morpeko. Ooh, and a Rillaboom V Shiny. Alright. I do not have that card. That is a hit. And do we get double? We do with the Ditto V. The Ditto Punchin'. Gonna lay you out. So we will take that. Rillaboom. Add that to the collection. It'd be nice to get all the shiny V's, shiny V Maxes. It'd be hard to get all the baby shinies. There's a lot. Sweet. There, you can hang out right in there. Alright, so doing okay so far. Indeedy. Alright, we'll save that Zard pack for last. And a Dragapult. We'll go with the Toxtricity. Another easy opener. Bam. I hope you get a Charizard. If you do, leave me a comment. Pikachu. Right. Pikachu. Tropius. I'm looking at the Pikachu. Ball Guy. More Pikachu. Eevee. The Grookey. A Schnom. Spinarak. A Reverse Rusted. And the Yanmega. Hopefully that's the last of the Yanmegas. Alright, let's go. 3 packs left. Corviknight. We got the baby shiny. Just toss that. Oops. Hit the Ponyta. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, can we beat the Rillaboom shiny? There's gotta be something better in here than that. Dartrix. Ball Guy. Cramorant. Morpeko. Snom. Horsey. The Nick. Eevee. Cacnea. And for the rare, Hollow Galarian Weezing. It's only about the 5th of those. This Weezing is pretty tight though. The shiny Galarian Weezing. Anything with stars we'll take. You go down there. Alright, let's go. Let's go! Alright, Dragapult. You brought us here. Hey, a sealed pack. Alright, we got the energy. Rusted Shield. Dartrix. Luxio. Glossopore. Kopping. Morpeko. Choodle. Rowlet. And then the Dartrix. And end it with the Zarude on that one. Ugh. It was a little rough. It's a little Zarude. Heard that before. Alright, last pack. This is the Zard. It's for you. Okay. Okay, and we're back after the slight technical difficulties. We're back with the Charizard pack. Let's go, final pack. We didn't swap anything out, I promise. The stand fell over. What does really mean? Maybe let's just stick in the top, but that is just open. Like nothing. Alright, last pack. We pull something good. Got the energy. Oh, I hope those weren't out of... focused all the time. Cramorant, Coughing, Shinx. I have new lighting setup. I'm not pro. Nick, Weasel, Trapinch, Team Yelltao, and Professor's Research to end it. That's kind of a bummer. Alright, well, good thing we're not done there, because I can't end on a reverse hollow Yelltao and the professor doing her research. Like, finish your research, Professor. Go home. Alright, let me move this real quick. Alright, we're gonna open this Intellion. I bought this at Walmart today and they must have messed up the SKU or something, but it rang up for $5, so I got like 4 packs and the V promo or whatever for the price of 1. So can't complain there. So anything we find in here is like house money. It's all just bonus. Get another of the large cards. I picked this up too. 25th anniversary trading card book. Comes with the Pikachu 25th anniversary symbol. And this booklet holds 30 of these large oversized cards. So all of these go in here. I don't know why they made a booklet for it, but it's 25th anniversary. And been getting a lot of these, so there we go. We got one. Probably open that, I don't know, sometime. Next video. Next one, always next video. Alright. Okay. We got Intellion. Sword and Shield, I don't even know what's in here. And Evolutions. Sword and Shield. And a Cosmic Eclipse, so we got a little party pack. We're having fun here. Intellion. That's a cool card. Do I give you that? You can see through that. Cheers. If you made it this far, there you go. Like and subscribe. Comment. Let me know what you get. Okay, Intellion. You're not shiny. No sleeve or top loader for you. Alright, let's go. Sword and Shield. I am not super familiar with these ones. I am OG Pokemon collector. Base set 1, base set 2. Here comes Team Rocket with some of the last I collected. And I've just been getting back into it recently with this shiny base. These cards are just sick and it's been a blast. And during COVID there was nothing to do. So Pokemon cards have been great. Fire Energy, Raboot, some candy, and then a berry. And that's Mawile, a Galarian Ponyta. We pulled this bad boy out of the shiny, the My Little Pony. I do believe this is going to be in some cereal boxes coming up here soon. So check your stores. There's going to be a hollow one of those. I heard it's going to be kind of rare, hard to pull. Sobble, Maractus. Dude, this guy, what is with these powers? OP. Oh my gosh. I got owned by him online. I was like, that's the most OP basic Pokemon ever. Mudbray. Side note, Lucky Egg. And a Roserade. Alright, so a reverse go hang out over there, sure. Here you go, Roserade. Let's go Sword and Shield 2.0. Are you guys able to find any Pokemon cards in your area? Let me know if you are. What have you been able to find? Any ETBs? 2, 3, 4. Any of the pin sets, the tins? Alright, we got some energy. It's green. Oh, we're going fishing. Beatty. Hitmonlee, training in the clouds. Score Bunny. The Nickit. Chinchou. Diglett. Pharaoh Seed. Mawile is the reverse. And Sandaconda. So another huge nothing hit. Okay. Moving on. Let's go with Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse. I'm not even really sure what's in this thing, but we're opening it. I'll show you my OG Pokemon collection sometime. Base 1, Base 2. Here comes Team Rocket. Break out the old binder and blow off the dust. You got Water. Cricketune. Delmise. Yeah, that's like a V and VMAX and Shining Fates. Alohan Voltix. Rockruft. Gosh, these aren't shiny. Rowlet. I apologize if the camera's been shiny the whole time. Phantom. Reverse Rapidash. That's kind of cool. Do we get a rare? A black Kyurem. That's kind of cool. Hollow, so I guess that's a hit. It's not like a full art. But okay. I might be lost on the recap here. Alright, what do we got left? Evolutions. Alright, isn't this like the OG cards remade? I'm pretty sure it is, so I should be familiar with the cards. Different moves. Could be 4, could be 3, could be 2. That's not our rare, is it? God, I hope. I think it is. Dugtrio, energy removal, Kakuna, Pidgeot, Charmander, Magnemite, energy, Growlithe, Machop. Oh, a Hollow Mew. Let's go. I thought that was a rare in the OG packs, I believe. Let's go, dude. That's sick. I'll take any Mew anytime, especially if it's hollow. I don't know how rare this card is. I don't know if it's worth any money, but it's a Hollow Mew and it's going in my collection. Thank you, Mew. Here, you don't need the protection, but you're a Mew. We'll give it to you. Bam. Cool. Alright, so that was a good shot. Alright, we're gonna do one more. We'll do a Darkness Ablaze. Just random third-party package. It says 1 booster, 1 promo. I doubt we get a promo. It'll probably be a booster and a reverse hollow, because that's what I've seen other people get out of it. That's what my brother's got. That's what I've seen in videos. If there's a promo in here, I'll be really surprised. Alright, and our promo is a reverse Oddish. Don't think it's a no, not a promo. Okay. But Darkness Ablaze. These guys get away with their false advertising somehow. Alright, last pack of the vid. Quick recap. Thanks for tuning in to the end. Here's another code if you did. Let's flip them to the back. Energy, Relicanth, Yellhorn, Ursaring, Sentret, Rowlet, something. Spinarak. Larvesta. Gothorita. Ooh, we get some last pack action. Last pack action. Butterfree V. Dude, that's a pretty lit card. I actually pulled like a Butterfree V Max out of something. I don't even know if it's the same set, but damn. That's tight. Cool. Well, that was fun. I still got all this to open, guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna make more videos. Hopefully the Charizard's hiding in here. He could be in there. He could be in there. Where'd the ETB go? Oh, it's back there. He could be in there. And yeah, let me throw these together real quick. I think it was an alright opening. We had some okay hits. I don't even really remember what our best was. The Rillaboom. Bam. The boom. We got the promo card. The other promo card was probably the second best card. The Dragapult was the third best. I'm sorry, I disrespected the Mew. Butterfree, Black Kyurem, some Weezing, Ditto, Indeedee, Vidant, some Goth Chick. Alright, tight. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. Here's some of the pulls we've had so far. Here's my baby shiny collection. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get all of them. There's so many, but I've only had one repeat, I think. I got 2 bunnies. But other than that, I've been doing well. We stay away from the repeats. Alright, well, like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. More videos to come.